In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access in Close CRM. Navigating a CRM system for team collaboration can sometimes be daunting, but today, we'll break down the process into simple, clear steps that will have your team up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Close CRM account. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option. It's usually found in your main dashboard. If you're having trouble finding it, simply click on your username located at the top left corner of your screen, and you should see an option labeled Team Management. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Team Management section, you'll be greeted by a range of options. Here, you'll want to focus on adding new team members. You're going to click on the button that says Plus Invite User, though in some versions of Close CRM, this might appear as Add User. It serves the same function, so no need to worry about which version you see. Now, you're presented with a form to fill out. Start by entering the user's email address. Double-check that you've entered the correct email to avoid any communication issues later. Next, input their full name. Having accurate information helps maintain clarity within team management. The next step is selecting a role for this user. Close CRM offers predefined roles such as admin, user, and restricted user. If your subscription plan allows, you might also have the option to create a custom role, tailored specifically to your team's needs. Be mindful when assigning roles, as different roles come with varying levels of access within the CRM. Choosing the appropriate role ensures everyone has the right tools to perform their tasks efficiently without compromising sensitive information. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and made the appropriate selections, it's time to save the invitation. As soon as you do this, an email invitation will be automatically sent to the newly added user. This email contains instructions for accepting the invitation and setting up their account. It's important to remind the user to keep an eye on their inbox, including the spam or junk folder, just in case the email gets filtered out. After the user accepts the invitation and completes their setup, Close CRM makes it incredibly straightforward to adjust any of their access settings if needed. Simply return to Team Management, find the user's name in the list, and click the Edit option next to it. Here, you can change their role or modify their permissions based on the evolving needs of your team or business. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to giving access to team members in Close CRM. Remember, providing the right access is crucial for optimizing your team's productivity and maintaining secure operations within your CRM. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful insights.